Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Perisha again with another video. So in today's video we are doing today I'm so natural. Msishindwe woi. Yeah. In today's video we are having a DIY of something horrible. It's a horror. I'm so scared and I feel so tensed, but kwani iko nini tutafanya hii kitu. So leo nafanya, I'm trying to sasa nitaiweka aje. Okay, tunatengeneza, we are piercing. I remember in one of my get to know me videos I talked something about loving piercings and stuff. So leo I want to try to save some money, because this piercing here I got it for 1,000 shillings, and yeah, so today tuna have a piercing of 1,000 shilling with just 200 bob products, because I got this one. No, this what anywhere you go you'll find these things. This is what is used for piercing, I guess. Kizungu. Wow. And I have my ring, one of my rings. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there. Yeah, so najaribu ku save money. I got this one for both of them each 100 bob, and yeah, let's save something. And so nilisema something about me napenda piercings and stuffs, and so I thought of let me make a DIY of something of this sort, and I was like, yeah, why not? And ndo hapa, I guess you're gonna enjoy. Let's get into the video, and make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed, and don't forget to leave a comment. Nataka kujua, maybe it's disgusting. I wanna know anything you feel like you should tell me. Nataka uniambie. So peace out. So here Smiley. Ooh. Can you see this needle? Imagine inaingia kwa mtu. Na huyo mtu si mwingine, it's me here. Ouch. Wow. I feel too kuogopa, but kwani this is my there we go. I'm done, and that's it. It ain't painful. I know uchungu. Imagine I didn't hata sijatoa damu. So that is it for today. Until next time, bye. I love you guys a lot. And still I remind you, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and should I say, and God bless you. Or yeah, thanks for those who have already subscribed. And yeah, Draxy.